Your space is valuable, especially storage space. As your family grows, a Lifetime outdoor horizontal shed can be the perfect solution for your storage needs. The Lifetime horizontal shed gives you the perfect protective space for your family bikes, garbage cans, wood, or other storage. The 75 cubic foot interior and heavy-duty construction allows for a variety of uses. The shed is made of watertight controlled spring hinge lid, giving you access to garbage cans or wood without the need to open the front panels. Whether you open the lid to a 45-degree angle or lift it fully, the convenient hinge holds the lid in place. And when pulling your mower out, the front panels easily lock and swing open, giving you full access. Constructed of UV-protected high-density polyethylene, Lifetime's horizontal shed allows for low maintenance and will not crack, chip, or otherwise deteriorate in the elements. Unlike wooden sheds, no staining or painting is required. All lid, wall, and floor panels are resistant to stains and easy to clean. The UV inhibitors make it resistant to UV rays of the sun. This shed will retain its attractive appearance and design without requiring extra work to keep it maintained. The dual panel walls are also watertight, keeping rain and snow out and the contents dry. The Lifetime horizontal shed is not only built for durability, it also has an attractive appearance and design to keep your yard looking great. It's time to reclaim your garage and be the master of your yard, and let the Lifetime horizontal shed be your storage solution. With its durability, spacious storage capacity, and good looks, it'll be the envy of your neighborhood.